Hey folks, how's it going? Robert here. We're out here to do some camping at the lake. This is Dedramont Lake in our neighborhood. So check it out. We're actually truck camping, so I'll show you our setup. Oh, and I got a new truck too. Well, it's not new, but it's new to me. It's a campsite. The lake, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty good spot. I'll give you a panoramic view. No, there's a main road out there. It's probably a couple hundred yards out there. And then bought myself a Ford Ranger. My other car died, so, well, it didn't die. The inspection ran out, so we took it in and sold it for scrap. Got $97.85 out of it, minus the battery. Yes, scrap was only going for 4 cents a pound, so usually it's 8 or 16, right? 12 cents, but it was going real low. I thought I was going to get a couple $100 out of it, but only ended up. But anyway, I bought a 98 Ranger, little Rebel. I got a good deal on it. So, it's our setup for truck camping. It's just the basic gear that we pack in backpacks. Right, I got my sleeping bag and my hammock and stuff, but we brought a cooler with the stuff in it, cooler for food, and a couple of comfortable chairs. That's the only stuff we wouldn't have packed in. The fishing rods and stuff, you guys have seen it before anyway. We'd have hauling that by ourselves. But anyway, I like my little Ranger. Plus we got lights and stuff here too if we want to hook them up. Run off the 12 volt. Have good light in here if we want it to. But anyway, we're going to get set up and we'll be back. I'm going to hang the hammocks. There's our hammock setups. I got an open front design on mine so I can see what's going on. Easy in and out. Had to cut a pole. It's all good. So check it out. We're going to use this as a bug deterrent. Then you just let it smolder. Let it smolder away. A cup holder from Tim Hortons. It's burning away anyway.
Is this my view for it? Yeah.
You know what? I haven't seen a horsefly since I lit it.
Yeah.
Beer. Right here. That's about 30 minutes in. It's burning down pretty good, but it's producing lots of smoke. The humidity index here got up to like, was like 35, 38 degrees Celsius. So it was pretty warm here and pretty humid. Having a fire when it's that temperature, I mean, it's probably down to 26 or 28 now, but tonight it'll only go down as far as 16, 18 degrees Celsius. So it's pretty darn warm. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys, so cooking by an open fire is hot. New cook pot. What do you think? Paid what, $1 for it? Yeah. We get a few things, eh? We also got a toaster too, eh? That works real good, and it works, man, it works excellent for cooking hot dogs. Yeah, with a little bit of heat. Anyway, we'll see how long it takes to boil water here, and it's old lake water. Definitely got to boil lake water. It's pretty warm. It's going to be a beautiful sunset here, eh? Beautiful sunset right over our. You see that? Going to be a beautiful sunset. Supposed to record this thing cooking hot dogs, but over an open fire. But the hot dogs turned out so good, and I was so excited about cooking them that I forgot to. Anyway, watch this. Anyway, this is how it cooked the dogs. Like this. Over the fire with a lid on it. And that's what they cooked them to. That's what you did. So I'm going to take it off just like this. Want your other hot dog? The one I didn't drop in the fire? See my tongs? Yummy. I'm going back to eating mine. All in all, pretty good toaster. Make sure it's cold. It really diffuses the heat well to the burning elements and the heater. Works good on an alcohol stove too. I made toast on an alcohol stove, but you could probably produce 3 pieces of toast on an ounce of fuel. I think an open weld burner, maybe a wick burner would work better. But anyway, it still work to make toast if you had to, right? And over an open fire, it's the bomb. And it's well made, it's fairly decent construction. I would like to have seen that be attached all the way around, but it's not. I got a couple of strainers that were pretty good too, eh? This is the view out the front door of my hammock, so check it out. It's exactly what I can see looking out it. Laid right back in it. Fire pit's right over there. Got some tunes happening. Remember, we're truck camping. There is a lot of horseflies. That's about exactly what I can see. I'm laying here swinging. My guy pole is working real well. Her hammock, Christine's hammock, is tied to it too with her tarp. And there she is over there. I don't know if her view is as good as mine, but she's staying in there away from the horseflies. Hey Christine.
Yeah?
How's it going?
I stuffed my blankets in the end to keep the opening to my thingy open so I get breeze, but not so much that the horseflies get in.
Nice.
I like it.
Sweet.
If I lay against like the bottom of the hammock,
yeah,
instead of having the blankets underneath me, I can feel the breeze.
Nice. You've probably seen them flying around the lens of the camera, but you even seen them flying around me. These binoculars, they're just Tasco. They're only like, they're under 50 bucks. I'm thinking they're $29.99, $39.99. These binoculars have been the bomb. So there's the lake. Let's see if we can get a picture of across the lake with your lens in there. Might be able to see a bit. Come on, focus for crying out loud, camera. There it is. I thought I seen that loon over there somewhere, but I don't know where. That's what you can see from this and then to this. It's cool. Anyway, just so you folks know, it's a long ways across that lake. Like you're talking, it's probably 300 yards to the island or better, right there. That's a 4x zoom. So, and that's probably to the back corner. It's probably I'd say probably 600 or 700 yards.
What?
Smoke from the fire helps though.
Got some frozen chili that we made a long time ago. It's right there. What we're going to do is take it in, put it beside the fire, put the lid on, and there you are. Put the lid on, let it heat up in the water. It's like a microwave, but way slower. Guys, hear the loom. Sounds like this. This is my loon call. This is the sunset we're looking at from the hammocks over the lake. Campfire and tailgate life.
It's great.
Oh, it's the greatest place to sit ever.
It is.
Anyway, I'm going to sit down and have some more beer. Later. I'm not going to do the camera justice, but check this out, the bugs. Can you see them? That's to the entrance of my tent. There was way more than that. There was like 1 million of them over here when I walked over, eh? So it's right crazy. There's a lot of bugs out here. Ow, they bite me too. Oh, that's a big bite. Yowie!
Smoke, Robert.
Yep.